Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view the deleted photos or videos on your Instagram. So let's begin. So here we are in Instagram, and the first thing that we would need to do in order for us to view that is you want to tap here at the bottom right on your profile picture. And right here, once you are on your profile page, you want to tap here on the three horizontal bars at the top right of your screen. And from here, you want to go here, tap on your activity. And once you're here, you're on your activity page, you want to scroll down until you see recently deleted. And from here, you would be able to see your recently deleted content such as posts, stories, IGTV, and so on, even reels. You can see it right here. And yeah, as you can see, I don't have any recently deleted contents because this is just a test account. But if you're looking for past stories, so stories that already expired, then you can go back and you can see it right here under the archived section right here, just below the recently deleted. You go here in archive and you can see all your past stories right here, and you can even share them again, and you can even have it right here in dates right here if you want it to view in dates, or by location. You can also do it right here. And that's basically it for this video.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.